Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Bumble's shared interest feature. Using Bumble's shared interest feature can help you find matches with similar hobbies, preferences, and activities. First is to create or edit your profile. Open the Bumble application and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom left corner. If you are creating a new profile, follow the prompts to set up your account. If you already have a profile, tap on Edit Profile. On the Profile Editing section, look for Interest or Shared Interest option. You will see a list of various interests and hobbies. When you view potential matches, their selected interest will be displayed on your profile. Look for shared interests that can serve as communication starters. You can also use interest in conversation. While chatting with matches, refer to shared interest to initiate conversation. For example, if you both like hiking, you can ask about their favorite trails or hiking experience. You can update or change your selected interest at any time by going back to your profile and editing them as needed. Also be authentic, choose interests that genuinely reflect your personality, as this will attract matches who are truly compatible with you. When communicating with matches, reference your shared interest to create deeper conversation. Also explore new interests. If you are open to new experience, consider adding interests that reflect activities you'd like to try. By effectively using Bumble's shared interest feature, you can enhance your profile, connect with potential matches, and foster engaging conversations. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.